Get ready to upgrade your life with 10 crazy Amazon kitchen gadgets of 2025. From futuristic tech to mind-blowing kitchen hacks, these gadgets will change the way you live, work, and play. Stay tuned for some next-level innovation you won't believe exists. The Dash family size egg bite maker makes healthy eating effortless. Just add eggs, your favorite toppings, and cook, perfect for a protein-packed lifestyle. With the ability to make up to 9 delicious homemade egg bites at once, this appliance is great for family breakfasts or meal prep. Non-stick cooking ensures easy release and quick cleanup, while each batch can deliver up to 27 grams of protein. Plus, it's not just for egg bites. Experiment with cheesecakes, custards, and more. With recipes included, you'll have endless options for tasty, nutritious meals. The HYTRIC 2L Portable Hot Pot is your all-in-one cooking companion. Featuring a food-grade non-stick coating, it lets you sauté, stir-fry, and boil with ease, using 2 power control settings for precise cooking. Its compact size makes it easy to store, while the flexible storage design ensures convenience for travel, dorms, or small kitchens. Plus, it doubles as a bowl, making serving effortless. Cleanup is a breeze with its easy-to-clean non-stick surface. Whether you're making a quick meal or a hearty dish, this versatile, space-saving electric pot is built to fit your lifestyle. The CZDIDEXI oil sprayer for cooking is a must-have kitchen gadget for 2025, designed for healthier and more efficient cooking. Made from food-grade, odor-free glass, this 200 milliliter oil sprayer is perfect for air frying, grilling, baking, and salads. With precise oil control, each spray delivers quarter teaspoon, 1.5 grams, of oil, helping you manage calories while ensuring even distribution. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry for barbecues or outdoor cooking. The leak-proof, durable glass construction prevents spills, and it's easy to clean. To achieve the best spray, start swinging before pulling the trigger and release before stopping. If you're looking for a smarter way to cook with less oil, this sprayer is a game changer. The YASHE double waffle maker packs 1400 watts of power for quick and even cooking. With adjustable temperature control and 5 browning levels, you get the perfect waffle, golden and crispy or soft and fluffy. The power and food-ready lights take the guesswork out, letting you know exactly when it's ready to use. Every waffle you make is a bite bursting with flavor, thanks to the precise heating system. Whether it's a classic Belgian waffle or a creative twist with toppings, this easy-to-use non-stick waffle maker ensures delicious results every time. The OXO Good Grips vegetable chopper makes chopping effortless. With a quick press knob, the stainless steel blade rotates to efficiently chop veggies, nuts, and more. Use it directly on a cutting board or chop in the built-in cup for easy collection. The convenient measurement markings help with precise ingredient portions. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're prepping for salads, salsas, or stir-fries, this compact chopper is a must-have for any kitchen. The OXO 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer makes prepping avocados effortless. Simply have it, then use the patented pitter to twist and remove the seed in one smooth motion. The slicer glides through the fruit, creating nice, even slices while lifting them cleanly from the skin. With a soft, non-slip grip, it provides comfort and control for mess-free use. Designed for convenience, it's easy to clean and completely dishwasher safe, making it a must-have tool for avocado lovers. Whether you're making guacamole, salads, or toast, this versatile slicer ensures perfect results every time. The cordless electric knife delivers unmatched precision, turning every cut into perfection. While traditional knives struggle, this electric marvel flows effortlessly, gliding through meat, bread, and more with absolute ease. Its power goes beyond expectations, making slicing feel seamless, whether you're carving a turkey or cutting delicate fillets. With effortless cutting, you'll achieve uniform, professional results every time. No more sawing or uneven edges, just smooth, clean cuts. This electric knife slices through anything, making every slice a masterpiece in your kitchen. Upgrade your cutting experience with the future of effortless precision. The 4L Electric Composter is your ultimate kitchen solution for transforming coffee grounds, loose leaves, peels, vegetable scraps, bones, and eggshells into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Its upgraded shredding system efficiently handles most food waste, breaking it down with ease. Designed to reduce the volume of food waste by 90%, it creates high-quality compost for your garden. Simply mix the nutrient-rich fertilizer into the soil and watch your plants thrive. Our vision? To protect the environment, starting with your kitchen. Because every small step in waste reduction leads to a greener future. The ThermoPro TP19H digital meat thermometer is built for precision and speed. With smart on-off motion sensing, it activates when picked up and sleeps when set down, saving battery life. Enjoy ultra-fast 3 to 4 second readings, accurate to fly 0.9 Fahrenheit for perfect cooking results. The auto-rotating backlit LCD display makes it ideal for dim environments, ensuring clear visibility at any angle. Lock the temperature to read results away from heat, while the waterproof design allows easy cleaning. With a strong magnetic back, store it effortlessly on metal surfaces. Perfect for grilling, frying, and barbecue mastery. The upgrade-safe Mandoline Slicer Plus is designed for effortless slicing with detachable replacement blades and an easy-to-clean build. Featuring a suction cup and anti-slip design, it stays stable during use. Simply open the latch, install the feed pass, and place it in the receiving tray. Then, pull out the handle, adjust the thickness from 0 to 8 mm using the left and right knobs, and add your ingredients. A slight nudge on the push bucket activates the slicing mechanism, while the 2 sets of blades allow you to cut strips and shreds at will. Its detachable design makes cleaning simple. Just avoid touching the blades, and use the included brush for safe washing. That's a wrap on 10 crazy Amazon kitchen gadgets of 2025. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic gadget finds. See you in the next one.